Just when you think you've seen it all, ladies and gentlemen, my commercial and residential clients, especially those new ones, they never seem to disappoint. Case in point, this service call about 5 blocks away from our corporate headquarters here in Woodmere, New York. We have a central air conditioning system that's leaking water. You're not going to want to miss this. You know what? I knew Daniel, my senior, oh God, I can't even get it anywhere. I knew Daniel was right when he told me I need to buy one of these 6-gallon shop vac. Check this out. Wait for it, ladies and gentlemen. Wait for it. I didn't schlep the shop back here to suck out a drain. What I brought the shop back here for is to suck out that water at the bottom of this return. It's held up by shims. Oh, hold on. It gets better, ladies and gentlemen. There's the unit. Yeah. Yep. We have a built-in closet system directly smack in front of the air handler access panel. But guess what, ladies and gentlemen? If you put the level on, oh, I left it in the truck. If you put the level on it, it's pitched that away from the drain. And you gotta give the installing contractor some credit, because they must have been carpenters, because they got a bunch of shims there. But the sheet metal that it's resting on is buckling. So I'm gonna suck out the water and I'm gonna pray. Are you ready? Let's pray. Baruch atah Eloheinu melech haolam. No, with the wrong day. Here we go. Almost all dry. Look at that. Almost. Oh yeah, you know that's raising sharp. Alright, I don't know how I did it, but I was able to put some fender washers on the opposite side, giving it a little bit more pitch. And I pulled out the condensate drain from the pump, put my cap on, excuse me, some dust stuck in my throat. And then I used my shop vac and I sucked out the line. There was definitely some kind of resistance here in the flow, because it was chuggling for like a few seconds, and then it got like a big chunk of crap that was probably sitting in there. So a combination of just poor install and the clogged drain, we pretty good now. I'm just gonna get some condensate neutralizing tablets by Nucalgon in the truck, and then spray it down with the Refrigeration Technologies condensate pan treatment. So we're really gonna give this a good, thorough PM on drain and condensate removal, because I don't want to come back here. I don't want to schlep my vacuum down those stairs again full of water. So, and I don't want to be the one to tell them to pull all this out. Ooh, there was a pillow. Oh, it is a pillow. It's Sierra down alternative pillow. Yummy. Oh, yummy, yummy cookies. She's already starting to dry. Perfect. I'm also going to take some of the Viper and squirt her down there. Right into that trap. Put this back on there. Let's take off one of these plugs. Let's get a few squirts in there too. Okay. A lot of cocky in there. You know. So hopefully we're good now. Hopefully. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, version 2.0 of the Mikey Pipes Hatch Show Print posters are now available. $42.50 delivered anywhere in the United States. I put them in a mailing tube. You're going to get one of each of 5 stickers that I've launched so far over the last 7 or 8 years. You're going to get a free pen and a magnet, all for $42.50 delivered to you. Nice, real, amazing poster. This is printed in one of the original printing presses still in use, made by the Hatch Show Print. This is version number 2, $42.50. Details in the description box down below. You cannot buy it online, only directly from me. And remember, if you're tired of getting bamboozled by your HVAC contractor, I want you to pick up the phone and give us a call at 516-348-6300 or save time, book online at pipedoc.net. Catch you the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.